Hello everyone and welcome to European Piano Mastery Tutorials for Beginners. In this video we will be learning our complete entertainer with separate hands. We'll be joining with separate hands from first line to the last line. So in the last video we've joined our last line with both hands, and now it's time to join every single line of left hand together. So by join I mean not to join both hands, but to join the lines together. So we'll be doing first, second, third, fourth and fifth lines only left hand today, and then only right hand. So you'll know how to play through the whole entertainer all your left hand, then all your right hand. So I won't be saying any fingers, maybe some I'll say, but I'll say some notes. But the whole idea is to just know how to play complete left hand from beginning to the end. Okay, so I'll start with the left hand. I assume you've already learned all the videos on the entertainer that we've done in past. We've covered every single line with all the fingers, all the details. I'll be going a little bit quicker today. I'll name the notes maybe once, and then I'll play through once again, maybe a couple of times, so you know what you have to aim for. Once you know how to play fluently left, then fluently right, then you'll be ready to join the whole entertainer with both hands and join all the lines together with both hands. Okay, so we are starting with our left hand. At the end of the first line there is a G, and then we're doing second line, so 5 on C, then E and G, then E, then B flat C, then F, A and C, then E, G and C, G, C and E, G, B, C, G, C. Then line number 3 we continue, C, E and G, E, B flat and C, F, A and C, E, E flat, D, F sharp A, D, F sharp A, and then B and G, then G, A, B, then C, E and G, E, B flat C, then F, A C, E, G C, G, C E, G, B, C, G, then C. Then last line the chord C, E, G, hold it for 2 crotchets. Then chord E, B flat C, hold it for 2 more crotchets. Then F, A, C chord. Then F, A flat C, then G, C, E there, then G, and then C, G, C there at the end. So see, I named the notes just so you can get yourself familiar with them again, but now I'll just play through without naming the notes slowly. You can just aim to achieve that consistency at home. So when you know how to play all left hand from beginning to the end, then your foundational work for your left hand will be done. First you do it very slow. Always think what's next when you play. It's very, very important when you play, like always think what's next, what's next, what's next to the last note of the piece, and always prepare your fingers on the next keys, and always relax your fingers after playing the previous key. Like you play it and relax immediately. So you have to relax between the notes and make it very effortless and place your weight of your hand into the keys as well. So again, I'll just play once more all left hand without naming any notes. And make it good jumpy staccato. So there goes your left hand. So you aim to achieve the consistent performance of your left hand before you do right hand. Or you can do right hand first, doesn't really matter, but I started with left hand today. So then you practice and practice every line if you still make some mistakes until you know fluently all left hand. Okay, now we will be doing same with our right hand. First I'll name the notes, then I will do it without naming the notes. So we go on a very high octave: D, E, C, A, B, G, D, E, C, A, B, G, D, E, C, A, B, A flat, G, then B and G together, staccato bright, then D, D sharp, E, C, E, C, E, C, then C, D, D sharp, E, C, D, E, B, D, C, then D, D sharp, E, C, E, C, E, C, then A, G, F sharp, A, C, E, D, C, A, D, then prepare the next one there, so D, D sharp, E, C, E, C, E, C, then C, D, D sharp, E, C, D, E, B, D, then C, then towards the last line, C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, C, E, C, D, E, C, D, C, E, C, D, E, B, D, and then C in the end. Okay, so first I named the notes, but please learn the previous videos where we went through all the fingers. I didn't say any fingers today, notice that. So you need to know the fingering from the previous videos, otherwise you'll play all different fingers. You can copy my fingers from this video as well if you like, if you go maybe slower. But I highly recommend you learn the previous videos so you know your good foundations first. Okay, so that was all right hand with naming the notes. Now I'll just play it once without saying any notes. All bright and brisk, and in the right hand you make it a bit more legato and a bit more energetic than left hand. So left hand a bit softer, right hand a bit brighter and more connected, while left hand has the staccato like a counterpart there. So let's do all right hand connected together, all the lines from beginning to the end. So there goes our right hand. So you keep on practicing your right hand until you know how to play that all without mistakes from the beginning till the end. If you make some mistakes, how you can approach it when you join in the lines, you just repeat that line again where you've made that mistake, and then you practice one line before that line and one line after. So you play like adjoining lines before and after, so then you put the place into perspective, so to speak, of the piece, and then you keep doing that, eliminating all the mistakes until you know how to play fluent from beginning to the end. Just repeat enough times and then you'll get it. Okay, so yeah, this will be all for this video. This is your next goal in your entertainer. Before we did every line separately, now we are joining all the lines with separate hands. So left hand from beginning to the end, this is our tasks to achieve at this stage. Then our right hand from beginning to the end without mistakes. If you want to be even better and have a better quality, you can set a rule of 2 consecutive repetitions without mistakes. You know, that's the really helpful method as well. So that means you can play 2 consecutive times without mistakes. So one time you play without mistakes at all, even if there is one mistake at the very last note, that's 0 times. And one time done, no mistakes, and second time should be without mistakes. So if you play second time, for example, and make a mistake on the second line or last line, that goes back to 0 your count. So then you'll have to do again 2 times without mistakes. It's quite a strict system as well, but it really helps. So sometimes we practice up to 3 to 5 times consecutively without mistakes. That will make you think. Then you'll tell yourself, I have a goal to repeat every place until that many times without mistakes. Unless I do that, I will not stop practicing. So at least you start setting a goal where you just do 1 time without mistakes from beginning to the end. Then you can, once you're a bit more familiar, you can, you know, upgrade your system and then do 2 consecutive times and 3. You can do even without consecutive times, just 2 times without mistakes at first, you know, but up to you, however strict you want to make your system, but that method really works. So the more times you can repeat without mistakes consecutively, the more focused you will be, the more consistent your performance will be eventually. Okay, so this will be all for this video. That's your tasks today. Please achieve them as soon as you can. And in the next video, we will be joining our entertainer with both hands from the first line to the last line. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.